Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use mint leaves in tea step by step. Start by washing fresh mint under cool water and gently pat it dry. Tear or bruise leaves to release oils before steeping. Heat water to just below boiling for green tea or boiling for black tea. Steep for the recommended time, usually 1 to 5 minutes, then taste and adjust leaf amount for your preference. Gather a small handful of fresh mint and strip the leaves from the stems to avoid bitterness. Gently bruise the leaves between your fingers or clap them to wake up the oils. If using dried mint, use about 1 teaspoon per cup instead. Measure roughly 3 to 6 fresh leaves per cup as a starting point and adjust for stronger or milder flavor based on your taste. Heat water to the proper temperature for your tea base and pour it over tea and mint in a teapot or cup. Add mint either loose or in an infuser so leaves can mingle with the tea as it steeps. Taste after the minimum steep time and remove leaves to prevent bitterness. Sweeten with honey or sugar, or add lemon for brightness, and serve hot or let cool for iced mint tea.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.